Okay, these are directions for your in-person, face-to-face assignments for week 2. That would be August 18th through August 25th. So you'll start by going to your Google Classroom, clicking on classwork. If you haven't bookmarked the course website, it's always the first thing under website materials, and you'll click on that. Remember that you also need to have your virtual notebook open. So go to your Google Drive and open your virtual notebook. If it's not in your quick access, you can search for it by either searching for your name or your block number. So open your virtual notebook. On the English site on your homepage, there'll be a list of your assignments. Next to the video, it'll be divided by your alpha group. Next week, that's week 1's. So just look for your alpha group and you'll be able to look at your list to see which assignment you need to open on your Google site logbook. Okay, so your in-person assignments will start in Lesson 2, Section 1, Lesson 2, Activity 6. So Section 1, we need to go to Lesson 2. We're going to do Activity 6. We've already done some of these already, so we need to either copy and paste 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 here, or you can open a whole nother box and paste it there. It doesn't matter. So we need our assignment, lesson 2, and we need 6 through 10. We've already done these. Okay. So that's 6. I'm going to copy it, paste it. And you can always paste it right underneath that one. If you want to put a divider, you can. I don't know what that is. And then you would just double click to make a text box right underneath that. We'll go get Activity 7, which is a pre-reading. I'm going to copy that. If I had a mouse, I could copy a lot more at one time, but I'm not very good at using the pad. Okay, and I like it to be neat, so I'm going to put another divider before I do Activity 8. So Activity 8 is just listening to this while you think about the narrator. So there's nothing really to do except answer the question, what do we know about the narrator? And then 9 is answering these after we read that article together. See, you can always just paste it right under there. You don't have to do the dividers in the new sections, but sometimes I like the way it looks. And then our last one for this assignment will be, didn't get it all, Activity 1. Almost 10. Get that last little guy. There we go. So our 7 questions. And that is all we're going to do in class. And then your virtual will be lesson 3, activities 1, 2, and 3. So we'll do all this in class. And then if you're at home doing your virtual because you're quarantined or something, you'll then switch to lesson 3 and do the same process of copying and pasting from the course book into your notebook. So for the videos and stuff, you would have to watch it on your course book. Like for the articles in section 2, I forgot to show y'all that. I mean, in lesson 2. Um, the article that we'll read, you would click on this button and it'll open in a separate window. And then you'll write 2 advantages and 2 disadvantages, and then problems with a first person narrator. Okay, and then that is the end of lesson 1, and you will have finished lesson 2 and started lesson 3.